Hey guys, today I have the Boxycharm for the month of April. As always, they do send me this for review purposes, but all opinions are my own. I do have an affiliate link down below that if you guys click on it, I do get compensation. I'm always upfront with you guys with all of that information always. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. I kind of wanted to kind of do an unboxing and try on at the same time. I've never done one of these, so this is gonna be my first time, so let me know if you guys like this. The reason that I don't have any lipstick or eyeshadow and stuff is because of that, because I kind of saw some of the previews, so yeah, so let's go ahead and jump in. And I went ahead and opened it, and this is what it looks like. I always love that they always have a good foam padding, which is always essential when they send palettes and things like that, because I feel like a lot of times things like that can be broken and it's very upsetting when it is. So this is what this month's little postcard looks like. It's very different, and it says eye candy, and they had some influencers that actually picked out the products for this month's box. I personally just have not seen any of these girls, but we'll definitely look into them and see about them. And these are the products that are in my box. So first up is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and this is worth $29. It says glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is what the boxing looks like, and I got the shade Stunner. So it looks like you can get one of 3 shades, and it seems to me like I got the lightest one. They have this one, which is Stunner. It looks like a golden one and then almost like a bronze looking one. And I'm not sure what the substitute for this one was, because I know that there's like various options in this month's boxes. So let me go ahead and take a little bit of this on a brush. Okay, and I like using this kind of synthetic brush for applying cream highlighters, and I'm just gonna dab that on both sides and kind of just, whoa, I think I kind of overdid it. Wow, this is like this, you might want to be a little bit more light-handed than what I was. Let me just see if I can blend all that in. I kind of overdid it there. Okay, so can you see that? It's a very pearly looking highlighter, and definitely do not apply this unless you're going to blend it out immediately, because now I'm having trouble blending this side out. Let me use my fingers for, like, let's say the tip of my nose and see how that applies. That applies a lot better. Okay, so here is the glow. As you can see, it looks kind of patchy. You definitely have to work with this immediately and just really blend it in, or maybe like warm it up with your fingers. It is pretty, but like I said, it's kind of something that I'm going to have to see and work with a little bit, just because it just did not go on as smoothly as I thought it was going to go. Okay, so next thing in here is the ColourPop My Little Pony eyeshadow palette, and this is worth $16. I know there was like one of 5 palettes that you could get, and I was just excited to get any of them because I have yet to try any of ColourPop's eyeshadows, so I'm super excited, and I think this is super cute. I was a total fan of My Little Pony, being an 80s baby. Of course, I grew up watching them and having all kinds of toys from My Little Pony. And on the back it has the names, and all the names are part of like the names of the My Little Ponies, like Butterscotch, Applejack, Twilight, Sky Dancer. And this is what the packaging looks like. That is super cute. It kind of takes me back to like being a child. So this is what the eyeshadows look like on the inside. They're kind of very springy, so that's very nice. I like that the colors are very springy. I'm just gonna pass my finger on them, see what they're like, and I'm super excited to play with these. I don't know, the pigmentation doesn't seem to be like super spectacular or anything that I'm super impressed by first swatch. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of primer on my eye and be right back. And then I'm probably just going to put something in my crease and a little bit on my lid. So I put a little bit of the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish on my lid. And I am just going to go in there with this peachy shade right here and see how that goes. This is a matte shade. And like I said, I've not tried any of these like powder eyeshadows from ColourPop, so I don't really know how they blend. There's people like with different opinions. Some people say that they're awesome and some people like do not like them. So let's just see how this works. So far it seems to go on really smoothly and nicely, and I didn't put anything to set my primer, so this is just straight going on to primer, which is sometimes difficult for shadow to do. Sometimes it can go on patchy. So that is what it looks like. Just a wash on the crease. Okay, because I have purple on, I'm going to go ahead and put this one, Minty, all over the lid and see how that blends out. That's a very shimmery eyeshadow shade, so let's see how this goes on. So that way I've kind of played with both the shimmer and the matte. So they're going on more pigmented than I thought they were going to go on. Just based on just my initial swatches, they didn't seem like they were going to go on that pigmented. So I feel a little bit more impressed than what I thought I was going to be. And obviously if you use like a more like white base or wet these, they'll probably look a lot better. And these eyeshadows are super affordable, so I'm super excited to actually be playing with them. And then just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and take this teal shade and put it on the lower lash line and see. And so far I don't see much fallout, so that's good. I always tap off my brushes anyway, so that's just a good habit to have. Okay, and then I'm going to put the shade Firefly on the inner corner because it just kind of gives it an extra pop. This is the look that I came up with, and I have lashes already. They're magnetic lashes by Ardell, so I know it kind of seemed weird that I put on lashes first, but I really like the way that the look came out. Let me know what you guys think. Kind of went overboard a little bit here on this side, but I really like the way they came out. I feel like they look super pigmented. I was a little deceived at first by these swatches, but I really like the way this turned out. I'm really excited to play with this palette, and actually if I like this, I might actually try a few more from ColourPop because this is kind of like my first introduction to the ColourPop eyeshadows. The next product in here is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is worth $47. And it's an award-winning pore refining mask. Of course, I won't be trying this one on camera because I'm not going to take off all my makeup and do this. But I absolutely love Dr. Brandt for skincare. It is pretty pricey, but on some things with skincare, I feel like it's good for you to invest in your skin. So definitely at some point we'll be doing a try-on of that and using it into my skincare routine and seeing how I like it. Next thing in here is the Insta Tint Tinted Eyebrow Gel, and this is called the Brow Gal. This is worth $22. I think I've seen this brand quite a few times that they've sent us stuff, but not this. This is a Insta-Tint Brown Hair #2 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So I'm going to try to test this on my eyebrows. Right now I have absolutely nothing in my eyebrows. This is just my natural eyebrow color. They're super dark and black. So we'll see how this turns out. Ooh, I like that this is super fine. Do you see how tiny that brush is? I like that. And let me just comb through and see what it looks like, or if you can tell any kind of difference. It almost looks like a really taupey brown, so it'll probably not show up that much on my eyebrows, or it could actually make them look lighter. So let's see if, can you tell difference? Yeah, I can definitely see on camera. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's giving like a really light brown tint to my eyebrows. So that might just look weird in person. And I'm just going to comb them both out and kind of even them both out with this. But I think I might just give this to my mom because she will get better benefit of using this than I will. To me, I just kind of want to fill in the gaps in my eyebrows and just comb them out. and I'm not really sure how I feel about them changing colors. So what do you guys think about them? I think it does an okay job. I just feel like this is something better for someone with more sparse eyebrows and not the kind of colored eyebrows that I have. My eyebrows are really, really dark. Let me know your opinion. Do you think like it looks okay, or do you think that it should be a pass? I'm kind of like undecided right now because I feel like it kind of gave them a different bit of a shade, but then at the same time it kind of filled them in nicely. I'm undecided. And last thing in here is the Adis High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is a luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick. It provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand of an applicator. And this is worth $24. So this is what the box looks like. And the shade that I got, I took it out of the box and it's super nice and big. The only thing is, okay, my dog wants to go out. I am going to try this on now. The only thing is that it has no shade to it. Like it literally does not have a color or a name to the shade. It is a very beautiful, like, okay, give me a second. So this is what it looks like on. It is more of a gloss. It says it's a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't seem to be drying down. It's almost like a glossy finish. I do really like the formulation. It doesn't feel sticky, and it almost feels like it's drying down but not matte, almost like satiny. So I really like that. It doesn't have a harsh smell or anything like that, but I really like the way it looks. Let me know what you guys think of the shade. Like I said, the shade has no name, so I don't know if that's just their only shade available. So that is it for the month of April's unboxing. Let me know if you guys like this style of video. I really have to say I'm really impressed by this month's box. Everything seems super nice. Let me know what you guys think of the highlights, the eyeshadow, the lip gloss. I have to say even the brow product that I was kind of iffy about is kind of growing on me. I feel like it really, I'm looking in the mirror down here. I feel like it filled in my brows nicely and it looks very natural. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you guys like this kind of form of video, if you guys like this format of me actually trying the products on as I'm unboxing them and kind of giving you my take on them. I love your feedback, or if you guys just want me to unbox it the way I normally do. And as always, I will put the total value of this month's box around here, but as always, Boxycharm is only $21 a month. If you want, you can subscribe using my link. I do get a compensation if you use my link, or if not, you can just go to boxycharm.com and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until next time.